the cells, you know about the coordinate map. There will be so many cells that are given in the coordinate map. A into A plus C dash. Now if you take the third group, 4 unfilled cells, these 4 unfilled cells will be considered for the don't care condition. Non-complement form, that is 0, is used for normal condition, isn't it? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 2 unfilled cells. Now what you can do is, hello students, welcome to the next session of Digital Electronics. I am Dr. Soumya Shri from Department of Computer Science, Vidyashram College. Let's continue our discussion with some of the products. In the last session, I told you or explained you about the simplification of the sum of the product expression function using the coordinate maps, isn't it? So today we'll discuss about the new feature of the coordinate map, how to much more simplification is possible in the coordinate map, how you can do this simplification with some of the products. Let's start with this session. The condition, the special condition that we can use to simplify a sum of product is the don't care conditions. So there will be the cells, you know about the coordinate map. There will be so many cells that are given in the coordinate map. The cells will have, all the cells will not be filled with either 0 or 1. Some of the cells will be kept blank. That means you don't fill anything, 0 or 1. In such a case, for simplification, we have to struggle to make the group, isn't it? When you are using either zeros or ones. In SOP, we consider only the ones to group, isn't it? So, in the coordinate map, if the intermediate cells are kept blank without any fill, then it will be very much difficult to group and the simplification will be not possible. That means there will be some expressions which will be left without any simplification. So to make this simplification more simplified expression, to get more simplified expression, we are using a special don't care condition. What is this don't care condition is? A don't care condition marked by X in the truth table. We fill all the unfilled cells in the coordinate map table with the X mark, which indicates a condition where the design doesn't care if the output is 0 or 1. We haven't given the expression. So, we don't know whether the result of that particular cell is 0 or 1. The don't care condition will don't care about the result, whether it is 0 or 1. It will include that cell, unfilled cell, with the group by marking it X. So, this is called as the don't care condition. A don't care condition can be treated as a 0 or 1 based on which value we are grouping. If we are grouping ones, you can take X as 1. If you are grouping zeros, then you can take X as 0. You need not to care. The simplification method don't care whether it is 0 or 1. It assumes that it is 0 if it is grouping a 0. And if it assumes that it is 1 if it is grouping the ones in the cell. So, what is the thing is, treating a don't care as a 0 means that you do not need to group it. If you consider in the cells of 1 for SOP, if it is don't care as a 0 means that you do not need to group it. You don't group it. Treating a don't care as a 1 in SOP, as we know, SOP treats only 1, allows you to make a grouping larger. As we know, as the grouping becomes larger, expression will be much more simplified, isn't it? So, we can make the group large by considering the unfilled cells which are filled as X as 1, resulting in a simpler term in the SOP equation. You can consider those x as 1 and you can group the ones. Okay, so let's have an example minimizing using the don't care conditions. So there will be some groups, some you don't fill all the unfilled boxes as x and you include that in a group, but you will consider only those x that can group with the ones. Only that cells will be considered. Okay, here in this cell of A and B, we will have only 1 is there. You can't minimize it, isn't it? 5 zeros and single 1 and 2 unfilled cells. Now what you can do is, you can fill this unfilled cells with an x. We don't know whether it is a 0 or 1. It is not specified. So it is unknown that whether it is 0 or 1. So the unfilled cells will be filled as x. So when you fill this with x, you will consider, now let's check with an example how to minimize the expression using the don't care condition. Here we have 1 and 5 zeros and 2 unfilled cells. So these 2 unfilled cells will be filled with x, where some x will consider for grouping, because this don't care condition was treated as 1. It will be treated as 1, which allows the grouping of the single 1 with the x to become a group of 2, which gives some more simplification. Whereas this x is of no use for simplification, because you cannot include that x in the group. So you will not consider this for the group. The meaning is that if you have x that doesn't belong to any group and that doesn't help you in making a group, you need not to consider this x. You can skip this x. There was no advantage in treating this don't care condition as a 1, because you cannot add this to a group. Therefore, it is treated as a 0 and has been not grouped. So now you can use these 2 cells to make a group where these B will be cancelled because they have non-varying variables, that is complement variables it has. So remained will be A dash, C dash. Now you can simplify it. Otherwise the expression will be A dash, B, C dash. There is no chance of simplification. If you use the don't care condition, then only you can simplify the expression. If you take another example, say like this. A, B, C. So I will take A dash, A. Now we have B dash, C dash, B dash, C, BC and B, C dash. So now if I have 1 and zeros, say we have 1, 1, zeros, and we have 2x. Okay. Now we can group these ones like this. Or you can combine, consider these 2 x's as 1 and you can group all the ones. Now what remains is, after simplification, all 4 variables will be cancelled, 4 conditions. The expression uses only one value, that is A. It will be much more simplified. So another example you can have, simplify the function f a b c d whose k-pap is shown here. Okay, the value is a dash, c dash, d. Now we have a dash, c dash, d plus A B dash plus C D dash plus A dash B C dash. Now we can consider these values by adding the values. Now we will get these ones. Okay, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, now you know about expanding, isn't it? A dash, C dash, D into B plus B dash. You can add like this, isn't it? Which gives the expression A dash, B, C dash, D plus A dash, B dash, C dash, D. You can expand the values. That is A dash B 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1 will be treated as 1. Then we have A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. A dash, B dash, C dash, D. That is 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the value plus. Now we have A, B dash. You have to add two values which gives these values. And again for next expression, you have to add the values which adds these ones. That means there are 4 unfilled cells. These 4 unfilled cells will be considered for the don't care condition only if it helps in grouping. Okay, here we have the answer. One thing is you can group like this, 2 ones, 2 ones, and like this. You don't have any x here. This x will be left without simplification. Okay, here we have the 2, 1, this one, and these x values. Instead of 2 ones, 4 group will be made. And again, here, again 4 grouping will be made. In this example, that is another expression, A dash C dash D plus A into B dash plus C into D dash plus A dash B D dash will give you this value. So you can group like this also. Okay, one and the same thing. So you can use this and you can simplify. So this will become A dash. So it is A dash, B dash, A dash B, AB, AB dash. Now this will be C dash, D dash, C dash D, CD, C, D dash. So you can simplify it using here C dash, D dash, C dash D, D and D dash will be cancelled. So this remains A dash, B, C dash. So you'll get A dash, B, C dash. From this grouping, you will get, this will be cancelled. This will become A dash, C dash, D. When you look at this grouping, all 4 will be cancelled. Remained is plus C, D dash plus from this grouping, all 4 will be cancelled. Remained with A, B dash. Okay. So this is the simplified expression with this example. So you can use don't care condition to simplify much more simplification. Another example you can take is ABCD with the expression A dash, C dash plus AB. You can take the values here by expanding these expressions. You can expand these values like A dash, C dash, B is missing, that is B plus B dash gives you A dash, B, C dash plus A dash, B dash, C dash. Again, you are missing the D value. It will be A into B into C dash into D plus A into B into C dash into D dash by multiplying with D plus D dash plus again D is missing here. It will be A dash, B dash, C dash, D. So multiply this with D plus D dash. Again D plus D dash. So you'll get A dash, B dash, C dash, D plus A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So expanded expression, what you get? A, B, C dash, D. Okay, here we have A dash, B dash, A dash, B, AB, AB dash. Now we have C dash, D dash, C dash, D, CD, C into D dash. The first expression is A into B into C dash into D. A into B into C dash into D. Then we have A into B into C dash into D dash. A into B into C dash into D. So you'll get the expression once in these 4 conditions. Now there are 4 or 6 cells, 7 cells which are unfilled. You can use these don't care condition to group the expression and you can use it to simplify. Alright, this is another example for don't care condition. You can take the don't care condition from the truth table also. So you can consider this as RS, TU values. RS, you can take the examples. So one will be considered here. Then you can take the expression. This is another example taken from the truth table where you can list the values based on the values of the RS and TU and you can use the X conditions, don't care conditions to group and simplify the values. Okay. Next concept we need to know is the K-map simplification for product of sum. The approaches are much the same as the SOP except that POS expression uses zeros. Instead of 1, they use zeros which represents the standard sum terms in place of ones. In the POS, zeros will be considered instead of 1. Okay. Here we have an example map. Okay, mapping a standard POS expression. We have this expression A plus B plus C into A plus B dash plus C into A plus A dash plus B dash plus C into A dash plus B plus C dash. So you can represent these values. As you know, non-complement form, that is 0, is used for normal condition, isn't it? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 1. So you can use these values. 0, 0, 0 will be filled with 0. Again 0, this 0 and the last one is 1, 0, 1. We use the expression for this 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 1. Now you can group the values like this. Only these 2 zeros can be grouped and can be simplified. These 2 expressions will remain as it is. Okay. Again, you can get the expression. So 0 and 1 will be cancelled. You get in the form of product of sum. This is A plus B into this 0. That is A dash plus B dash plus C. A dash plus B dash plus C into this 0. It will be A dash plus B plus A dash plus B plus C. So this expression remains the same. C dash remains the same. Again this 1, 1, 0, that is A dash plus B dash plus C remains the same. Only this expression will be simplified. Alright, here we have another example with the expression A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C dash into A plus B dash plus C into A plus B dash plus C dash into A dash plus B dash plus C. Now this will be grouped like this. Okay. So we will not be considering these ones. This grouping will not be considered. Here this will be cancelled. Remained is B dash plus C. In this group, this will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So remains is the A. The final expression will be A into B dash plus C, which can be simplified as A into B dash plus A into C. So you can simplify the expression. Alright. If you take some more example, say I'll take like this, A dash plus B into A plus B dash. So this is the expression. You can get A, B. Here we have A dash, A, B dash, B. So what you can get is A dash plus B and A plus B dash. So you won't get anything to be simplified. If you change the values, say if I take the expression F equals A dash plus B into A plus B. What you can do is, you'll get A dash plus B, A plus B. Now this will be considered. You can group this. The simplified expression will have B. Okay. If you take another example, so A, B, there will be 0 considered as A dash. Now this is B, B dash. If you take the example, F equals A dash plus B into A dash plus B dash. So A dash plus B, A dash plus B dash. So there will be zeros. If you group this, B and B dash will be cancelled, leaving the answer A dash. Alright. If I take another expression with 3 values, A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, then we have 0, 1. Okay. You can take the expression F equals A plus B plus C dash into A plus B dash plus C into A dash plus B dash plus C dash. So you can take the expression A plus B plus C dash. It is 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Next is 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. Then we have A dash, B dash, C dash. That is 1, 1, 1. Now this is 0. Then if you take the expression A plus B dash plus C dash. If you take another expression, it is 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. If you take this expression, so 0 will be considered. You can group these zeros like this. Like this you can group, which gives the expression. The first is this one. In this, it will be cancelled. Remained is A plus B dash into, if you consider this group, you will get these two cancelled. Remainder is the A plus B dash. Okay, when you consider this group, this will be cancelled. So these two values will be cancelled. Remained is A plus B dash. So A plus B dash plus A into A plus C dash. Now if you take the third group, A will be cancelled. This will be B dash plus C dash. So this is the final expression you can get from the simplification. All right. In the next session, we shall discuss some more concepts. Thank you.